Allah, the greatest name. God. Ar-Rahman, the beneficent. Ar-Rahim, the merciful. Al-Malik, the king. Al-Quddus, the most holy. As-Salam, the source of peace. Al-Mu'min, the giver of security. Al-Muhaymin, the protector. Al-Aziz, the mighty. Al-Jabbar, the compeller. Al-Mutakabbir, the supreme. Al-Khaliq, the creator. Al-Bari, the maker. Al-Musawwir, the fashioner. Al-Ghaffar, the forgiving. Al-Tahhar, the subduer. Al-Wahhab, the bestower. Al-Razak, the provider. Al-Fattah, the opener. Al-Alim, the all-knowing. Al-Qabid, the withholder. Al-Basit, the expander. Al-Khafid, the abaser. Al-Rafi, the exalter. Al-Mu'izz, the giver of honor. Al-Mudil, the humiliator. As-Sami, the all-hearing. Al-Basir, the all-seeing. Al-Hakam, the judge. Al-Adl, the just. Al-Latif, the subtle. Al-Khabir, the all-aware. Al-Halim, the forbearing. Al-Azim, the magnificent. Al-Ghafur, the forgiving. Ash-Shakur, the appreciative. Al-Ali, the most high. Kabir, the great. Al-Hafiz, the preserver. Al-Muqit, the sustainer. Al-Hasib, the reckoner. Al-Jalil, the majestic. Al-Karim, the generous. Al-Raqib, the watchful. Al-Mujib, the responsive. Al-Wasi, the all-encompassing. Al-Hakim, the wise. Al-Wadud, the loving. Al-Majid, the most glorious. Al-Ba'ith, the resurrector. Al-Shahid, the witness. Al-Haq, the truth. Al-Wakil, the trustee. Al-Qawi, the strong. Al-Mateen, the firm. Al-Wali, the protecting friend. Al-Hamid, the praiseworthy. Al-Muhsi, the accounter. Al-Mubdi, the originator. Al-Mu'id, the restorer. Al-Muhyi, the giver of life. Al-Mumit, the creator of death. Al-Hay, the ever-living. Al-Qayyum, the self-existing. Al-Wajid, the finder. Al-Majid, the noble. Al-Wahid, the one. Al-Ahad, the unique. As-Samad, the eternal. Al-Qadir, the omnipotent. Al-Muqtadir, the powerful. Al-Muqaddim, the expediter. Al-Mu'akhir, the delayer. Al-Awwal, the first. Al-Akhir, the last. Al-Zahir, the manifest. Al-Batin, the hidden. Al-Wali, the patron. Al-Muta'ali, the most exalted. Al-Bar, the source of goodness. At-Tawwab, the acceptor of repentance. Al-Muntakim, the avenger. Al-Afu, the pardoner. Al-Ra'uf, the compassionate. Malikul Mulk, owner of sovereignty. Dhul Jalali wal Ikram, Lord of glory and honor. Al-Muqsit, the just. Al-Jami, the gatherer. Al-Ghani, the self-sufficient. Al-Mughni, the enricher. Al-Mani, the preventer. Ad-Dar, the distresser. An-Nafi', the beneficial. An-Nur, the light. Al-Hadi, the guide. Al-Badi, the originator. Al-Baqi, the everlasting. Al-Warith, the inheritor. As-Sabur, the patient.